Good morning, students. As you all had attended your online class today, and last time I had not given you your video, which should be sent on Saturday. So, for that, today I had just started the number in standard form. Okay, a number written as m into 10 to the power n is said to be in a standard form if m is a decimal number such that m is greater or equal to 1 and less than 10, and n is either positive or negative integer. Then this m into 10 to the power n means what? Standard form, where m should be what? Greater than 1 and less than 10. If you will see examples, there are several examples. Like here it is 6872. In example, it has been said express each of the following numbers in standard form. So what is the number? 6872. Okay, and we may write this 6872 as 6.872 into 1000. So students, see over here, after 3-digit point is kept, so into 1000 it is. When we multiply with 1000, the number will go, 3-digit will go right of the point. Okay, so same thing, it is written in standard form, that is 6.872 into 1000, that is 6.87 into 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3 means what? 1 with 3 0, that is 1000. Now if you will see over here, it is 1,40,000. Okay, what is there? It is 1,40,000. So in 1,40,000, what will happen? Here it has been written 14 into 10,000. Okay, if you will see here, it is how much? Into 10,000. So 14 into 10,000, but as we had seen that m should be not greater than 9, that means not greater than 10, less than 10 it should be. So this is 14, so again it has been made 1.4 and into 10. So simply you can write 1.4 into lakh also. Okay, here it has been done 1.4 into 10 into 10 to the power 4. So what happened? When the bases are same, powers are added, nothing is there, 1. So 1 and 4, 5 it is. So 1.4 into 10 to the power 5 it becomes. I hope all of you are understanding it. Now if you will see example number 3, here it is how much? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, arab, 10 arab. So you can say this is 15 arab, 36 crore. So here you can see it has been written 1536 into how much? Ones, tens, thousand, 10,000, then after lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 1536 into 10 crore. So what it happens? Again after 3 number it has been kept a point. Okay, students, what here it has been done is as many 0 are there into 1 with all the 0 has been kept. If you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there. So 7 zeros you can see, you can count over here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there. Okay, so as many 0 is there, with that 1 is kept and all the numbers has been kept. So now after 3-digit again point has been kept, so 1000 it has been kept, and 7 and 3 it becomes 10. So it has been written 1.536 into 1000 into 10 to the power 7, which 1000 has been written as power 3. So it has been written 1.536 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 7 is equal to 1.536 into 10 to the power 10. I hope all of you might be understanding. Okay, now here is example 2. The diameter of the sun is 1.4 into 10 to the power 9 meter, and the diameter of the earth is 1.276 into 10 to the power 7 meter. These are the diameters of sun and earth. So you can see what is the difference in the diameters. By watching also we can understand that sun is about 100 times bigger than the earth, okay, and mass is much more than that of the size, okay. So if you'll see, so that the diameter of the sun is nearly 100 times the diameter of earth. Here you have to show that it is nearly 100 times, and for that, see what it has been done. It has been written, we have diameter of the sun by diameter of the earth. In a standard form, it has been written 1.4 into 10 to the power 9. It is already in a standard form, and here also below 1.2756 into 10 to the power 7. Now, okay, it has been written as 1400. This what happened, this has been cancelled, okay. You can see 10 to the power 7 and 7 has been subtracted, so 2 left. What happens in divide, the powers, if they are same what's saying base, then the powers are subtracted, so 10 to the power 2 it becomes, okay. You can see it has been written 1.4 into 10 to the power 2, and here it is 1.2756 as it is over here. Now if you will see, this 10 square means 100, it is written over here, and after there how much, 1 2 3 4, there 4 number were there after point, so here also at the top 1, and after that 4 number has been written, only 1 number was there, so 30 has been kept. So 14,000 by 12,756 into 100 it has been written, okay. So while dividing, it doesn't comes exactly 100, okay, but round up to 100 it comes. In fact, of course, if we will round up to its nearest 1000, then it becomes 14 by 13. So it is nearly more than 1000 only, okay, sorry, more than 100 only. So nearly it has been said 100. Therefore it has been written what, diameter of sun is equal to 100 into diameter of the earth. This is nearly, not exact, okay. I hope you all had understood how this came. Already I had said 4 points are there, below it has been removed, so above there was only 1, so after that 30 has been kept, okay. You can divide it, you will get this bigger than 1, so it will be bigger than 100, but nearly we can say 100, okay. Now if you will see example 3, here it has been said, okay, in a stack there are 4 books, each of thickness 24 mm, 24 millimeter is the thickness of the book, and 6 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.015 millimeter mm. What is the total thickness of the stack in a standard form? So what we will do, we will multiply 24 with 4 because total 4 books are there, okay. And then after there is 6 papers whose thickness is given, so this thickness that is 0.015 millimeter should be multiplied with 6. As you can see here, it has been written total thickness of the stack is equal to 24 into 4 mm plus 0.015 into 6 millimeter, mm means millimeter only. So this has been multiplied, 24 into 4 it becomes 96 millimeter, and 0.015 into 6 it becomes 0.090 mm. Now when we add it, we get it 96.090 mm. So what will happen, it will become 96.09 mm. So now if you will see, it has been written in a standard form, okay, not a standard form, by removing the point below 100 has been kept, so 9609, that means 9609 by 100 it comes, because point removed, so for point 1, and after point there is 2 decimal places, so 2 0 are there, okay. Now what it had been done, this 9609 has been written in a standard form, that is 9.609 into 1000 by 100. So when we subtract, when we divide, it will become 10. There is, as you can see, when it will be reduced, it will become 10. So in a standard form, it will be written 9.609 into 10 mm. Hence the total thickness of the stack is 9.609 into 10 mm. Here also it has been subtracted. In fact, here only we can cut it. Now we can see example 4, okay, and page number 35 over here. So it has been said the distance between the sun and the earth is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter, and the distance between the earth and the moon is 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. During solar eclipse, moon comes in between earth and sun. Moon comes between earth and sun. At that time, what is the distance between moon and sun? Okay, now what it has been said, that the distance between sun and earth is what? 1.496 into 10 to the power 11, and the distance between earth and moon is how much? 3.84 into 10 to the power 8. During solar eclipse, moon comes in between the earth and sun. That means it is coming in middle of earth and sun. So at that time, what is the distance between moon and sun? So what we will do, we will be subtracting the total distance between earth and sun. From that, what we will be subtracting? We will be subtracting the distance of earth and moon, because it is in the middle. So earth and moon distance, when we will subtract, after moon there comes earth. So when we subtract it, earth and moon distance, then we will be getting the distance between sun and moon, because they lie in a straight line when there is solar eclipse. I hope all of you had understood. So that's why it has been done over here, subtraction only. You can see I had explained why it is done subtraction. It is done subtraction because at that time, in the time of lunar eclipse, moon lies in the middle of sun and earth. Okay, so when we subtract the distance of earth and moon from sun and earth, then we get the distance between moon and sun. So here it has been written, required distance is equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 minus 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Now what it has been done, at first this point has been removed, and for the point there comes 1, and after point there is 3 numbers, so 30 will be there. Okay, so power 3 means 30 only, 10 to the power 3 means 1000 only. Okay, so now if you will see over here also it is 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Now with 3 it has been divided, so it will become how much? How much it will become? 11 minus 3, it is 8 only. So 1496 into 10 to the power 8 minus 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Now 10 to the power 8, both in there is 10 into 10 to the power 8. So 10 to the power 8 taken common, and in bracket it has been written 1496 minus 384. Okay, sorry, 384, not 3.84. You see, this is common, both are multiplying with 10.8, so it has been taken out. As we are writing 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, then centimeter we are taking out, and 2 plus 3 we are adding, and we are saying 5. So same way it is, 10 to the power 8 has been taken out. Now from 1496, 3.84 has been subtracted. You can subtract it. After point there is nothing, then 0, 0. Already I had said how to bring it in like term, and then after subtract. Okay, so it has been subtracted, and it came 1492.16 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Now this is the distance. Okay, but it is not in a standard form. If you want to write this in a standard form, okay, although in question also it has not been said, but if you want to write in a standard form, it will become how much? 1.49216 into 10 to the power 11, because 3 points more further it will go. So you should write in a standard form only. Hence the distance between the moon and sun is 1.49216 into 10 to the power 11 meter you will be writing. Okay, while when you will be making the examples. Now students, if you will see, there is example 5, and in example 5 it has been said to write each of the following numbers in usual form. Usual form means these are in standard form, and usual form means in number. Without power you have to write, without not in the power of 10. So if you will see, these all are in the power of 10. If you will see one number, it is 4.61 into 10 to the power 5. Two number, it is 2.514 into 10 to the power 7. And 3 number, it is 2.0001 into 10 to the power 8. So what happens? We have 4.61 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, so if you will see first number, what we had done over here is we had divided for 461 by 100. Okay, so when 461 is divided with 100, how it 100 came? Because for point 1 is there, and after point there is 2 numbers, so 20. Okay, 10 to the power 5 was there, and 10 to the power 5 divided by 10 to the power 2, it will be subtracted, it will become 10 to the power 3. As you can see, front it has been written and it has been subtracted and it has been written 10 to the power 3. That means 461 into 1000, so it becomes 461,000, or you can say 4,61,000. In same way, if you will see question number 2 of example 5, it has been written 2.514 into 10 to the power 7. So 2.514 into 10 to the power 7. So what it has been done, 2.514 into 10 to the power 7 is equal to 2.514 by 1000. Why? For point there is 1 and after point there is 3 numbers, so 30 is there. So 2514 by 1000 into 10 to the power 7. So 3 got cancelled and 4 will be left. You can see over here it has been left 4. Okay, so 2514 into 10 to the power 4, so that means 10,000. Okay, 40. 1 with 4 0, so 10,000. Then it becomes how much? 2514 with 40. So how much it is? 1 tens 100,000 10,000. Okay, then after lakh 10 lakh and crore, so 2 crore 51 lakh 40,000. Okay, if you will see question number 3, it is 2.0001 into 10 to the power 8. So again, if you will see over here, when point is removed for point 1 and after point there is 4 numbers, so 40 is there, into 10 to the power 8 it is there, that means this is 10 to the power 4, so from 8 4 is subtracted, so it becomes 4, and then after 20,001 into 10 to the power 4, that means 40 will be again at the back, and it becomes 1 tens 100,000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh crore 10 crore, so you can say 20 crore 10,000 it becomes. So now expressing very small number in a standard form. Of course, students, you might have been thinking that we can express large number in a standard form. Not only large number, also a small number can be expressed in a standard form. If you remember, the first sentence which today I had read was that in standard form any number is written as m into 10 to the power n, where m is greater or equal to 1 and less than 10, and n can be positive or negative number. That means power can also be negative. When power becomes negative, then it is smaller than 1, that you have to consider. So here we will be using, for a smallest number which is smaller than 0, we will be using n as negative number. So student, as you can see, here it is, express each of the following numbers in a standard form. At first it has been written 0.00002, for 0 is front and then after 2 is there. So what we will do, we will write it in the fraction. At first it will become 2 by for 0.10 and after there 5 numbers, so 10 to the power 5 it becomes, and when this in divide there is 10 to the power 5, so when we to go up it becomes into 10 to the power minus 5. So a standard form of 0.00002 is 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. In same way, if you will see 0.000000061 will become how much? 61 by how much numbers are there? 4 point there will be 1, and how much numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So there is 9. You can see after point how many numbers are there? That 10 to the power that much will be there. So now 61 is written as 6.1. So again it will be 10 there. So what happened? 1 minus 9 it will become minus 8. So 6.1 into 10 to the power minus 8 becomes the standard form of 0.000000061. Now if you will see third number question, here it is 0.00000000837. So here it has been written 0.00000000837. So what happens when we will write the numbers as numerator and denominator? So numbers at the top it is 837, and below for the point there will be 1, and after that how many numbers are there, that much power it will become. So let's count 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, so 10 to the power 11 it is, and here it has been kept point after 2 digit kept point, so it will be 100. 8.37 into 100. Whenever we remove the points in making towards the right direction, when the point lifts towards the left of the numbers, as many number goes left, that much 1 into that much 0 will be there. So it is 8.37 into 100. If you will see, it is power 2. So from 2 goes 11, that becomes minus 9. So it has been written 8.37 into 10 to the power minus 9, that is the standard form. Okay, now if you will see example 7, in example 7 here it has been said about the red blood cell. Okay, let's read the question. There is the size of red blood cell is 0.000007 meter, and that of a plant cell is 0.00001725 meter, so that the red blood cell is half of the plant cell in size. So for showing half, nearly you have to bring it 0.5 or 1 by 2. So if you will see, here it has been written size of red blood cell is equal to 7 by 10 to the power 6. If you will see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 numbers are just behind point, so it becomes 10 to the power 6, and when it goes up, it becomes 7 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, in same way, if you will see below about size of plant cell, it has been written 0. As it has been given question, 0.00001275 meter. So only number at the top, it becomes 1275. At the top, what happens when we remove points and only write everything? Everything should be there, but before this there are only 00, so it doesn't have got value. So it has been written 1275 divided by 10 to the power 8 meter. So if you will see, after 3 there will be going point, so it will become 1.275 into 10 to the power 3 by 10 to the power 8 meter. Okay, so when this will go up, it will be subtracting 8 from 3, so it will become, okay, 8 minus 3, that is 5. So when it goes up, it becomes minus, so we can write 1.275 into 10 to the power minus 5, that is the standard form of size of plant cell. Now we will be dividing to know which one is half and double. If you will see, size of red blood cell by size of plant cell. Okay, so what happens, this goes up, so it will be added, it will become how much? 10 to the power minus 1. So now when it will come below, you can see it becomes 12.75, that is 30. So nearly the ratio is approximately 1 by 2, not exactly. So size of red blood cell becomes 1 by 2 of size of plant cell. This will come this side, then it will become, okay, so this is in divide, so when it will come this side, it will multiply. I hope how it came, because size of red blood cell by size of plant cell, what are size of plant cell was 1 by 2. So when 1 by 2 will come, size of plant cell will come this side, it is in divide, then it will change into multiply. Hence it has been proved that size of red blood cell is half times the size of plant cell. Now if you will see, there is example number 8. Okay, express each of the following numbers in usual form. Usual form, that means as not in the form of m into 10 to the power n, without 10 to the power n. So if you will see, here the first question, it is 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. We have 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to 2 by 10 to the power 5. When it will come down, it will become positive, reciprocal when it becomes. So 10 to the power 5 means how many zeros? 5 zeros. So 5 zeros has been written, and when we divide 2 with 5, 1 with 5 zeros, so after 5 digit the point will be coming, so there is only 1 digit, so we will be writing 4 zeros in front of 2. That you have to keep it in your mind, not behind the 2, in front of 2. So it becomes 0.00002. Now if you will see the second question, it is 6.32 into 10 to the power minus 4. So if you will see, here it has been, when point is removed, there comes 1, and after point there is 2 numbers, so 20. So 632 by 100, into 1 by 10 to the power 4 it is, okay. So 632 by 10 square into 10 to the power 4, that is 10 to the power 6. So it becomes 632, and here 1 after 60. So how many 6 numbers are there? So it is written 0.000632. Okay. So 6 number, after 6 number point should be going. So there is 3 number only. So 30 has been kept in front of the number, not behind. That you have to keep it in mind. Now we will see the last number, last of this example 8. Third number, it is 1.596 into 10 to the power minus 6. So 1.596 into 10 to the power minus 6. Same thing it has been done at first over here. At first point has been removed, and for point there is 1, and after point there is 3 numbers. So 3 zeros are there. So 1596 by 1000 into 10 to the power minus 6. When minus comes below, it becomes plus. So it becomes 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 6. That means when the bases are same, then powers are added in multiplication. So 1596 by 10 to the power 9. That means after 9 number there should be the decimal, and there is only 4 numbers. So 50 will be there front. So you can see, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 50 there is point, and answer becomes 0.00001596. Okay. So this is how to write in usual form. Now here is exercise. If you will see below after the exercise, okay, there it has been given several exercise, and at last I had send you the solution how to make the exercise. Yes, if you will see here, it is I am starting from exercise 2b itself. So first and last question I had made. You can watch it over here. You might be saying, what about other questions of this previous chapter, because already I had completed. I hope you will be doing it. If you will not be able to do it, then again in online class, next online class, I will be asking you whatever the doubt is there in chapter 2. Okay. So if you will see question number 1, okay, there is 57.36. What it has been said, write each of the following numbers in a standard form. 57.36 is there. It is not in a standard form, because in a standard form m value must be greater than 1 or equal to 1 and less than 10, but it is 57. So we have to write how much? 5.736. Point will go 1 digit ahead towards right. Then in that case, as much digit it goes ahead towards right, 1 with that much 0 it will be multiplying. So 5.736 into 10 will be its standard form, as you can see in the solution which I had given to you. That is, here it is, number in the standard form is 57.36 is equal to 5.736 into 10 I had written. If you will see question number 6, sorry, what is that, question number 2, okay, 1 6, sorry, 1 sub question 6 was there. Okay. So in question number 6, it is 345 into 10 to the power 5. This is also not in a standard form, because here m is not less than 10, it is 345. So we will be making 3.45. So 2 digit ahead it comes. That means it will be multiplied with 1 with 2 0. That means 10 to the power 2. So it will become 3.45 into 10 to the power 7. As you can see over here in the solution I had written. Yes, 345 into 10 to the power 5, that means 3.45 into 10 to the power, that means 10 to the power 2 or 100 you can write, into 10 to the power 5. So what will happen? Here I had done 2 plus 5 is 7, because when the bases are same, powers are added. So this 100 means 10 square. So 10 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 5, this has been added, and it becomes 10 to the power 7. So answer becomes 3.45 into 10 to the power 7. This is now in a standard form, because here m is greater than 1 and less than 10. Hope all of you are understanding it. In 2 number it has been given in standard form and you have to write in usual form. So simply multiply it with there is 5, so 1 with 5 0, and then after you get it. Okay, all solutions are there, you read it and try to understand. Okay, in next online classes I will be asking you doubt how much you had understood and how much you had not, and further I will be giving you PDF and videos according to this. So till then, thank you, bye, take care, and read properly and try to prepare nicely up to chapter 3. Thank you very much.